Hello viewers, welcome to Resolution.But. In this tutorial, I will show how to install Linux 6 on your system. Now just take a look. What's the minimum requirement of Linux? The minimum requirement of Linux is here. You need 6 GB hard disk and 1 GB RAM, 1 GHz processor and a dual core motherboard. Linux file systems will be like this: root file system or system root greater than or equal 6 GB, boot file system greater than or equal 100 MB, swap file system that does not have a mount point greater than or equal 2 times of your physical RAM, and last one, home file system is greater than or equal 1 GB. Now time to show installation process. First, you insert your CD or DVD into CD-ROM and reboot the machine. Before doing it, you should make sure the CD-ROM drive before the hard disk into BIOS. After that, you will see this screen. From here, just select Install or upgrade an existing system. This message for testing the media. If you want to test media, just press OK. Nevertheless, just skip it by press enter. Installation is ready. Now just click next. From here, select your language as like English and select your keyboard language like US English and click next. Select basic storage devices, but you can select specialized devices. For basic installation, I selecting basic storage devices and click next. Yes, discard any data. Click. Here, write fully qualified domain name or host name as I write Resolution.Bd. You can configure your network now, although you also configure it after installation. I just configure it only for you. Click Configure Network and select your Ethernet. Click Add. Select IPv version 4 settings and select Manual. Click Add. Write your IP address and click Apply. The network configuration is done. Click Next. From here, select your time zone and click Next. Give a password for root user. Click Next. Use anyway. Select. There are 5 installation types here. First one is use all space. If you select it, all partition, including other operating systems, will be removed and it will use all free space for installation. And second one is replace existing Linux systems. It will remove your existing Linux partitions and installation will be automatically. And the third number is sync current system. If you select sync current system, it will sync from your existing partitions for creating free space, and installation will be automatically. And another one is use free space. If you select use free space, installation of Linux will be automatically by using free space. But I just select create custom layout to show basic installation and click next. Here my hard disk is shown. It is almost 70 GB. Now I am creating file system of Linux. Just click create, create partition, standard partition, and select create. First I select root file system by 50 GB. Now I write the root file system size here. Click OK. Yes, it's done. Now I again click create, create. For creating boot file system, the recommended size is 200 MB. I leave as it is. Click OK. Select free space, create, create. Now I am going to create a swap file system by writing 4 GB, that is 2 times of my physical RAM. Click OK. It is done. Select free space, create, create. At last I am creating home file system. My home directory will be 5 GB. Click OK. After creating all file system, click next. Click on format. If you think all is right, then click write changes to disk. Otherwise go back. I click on it. Accept the details for the other options on this screen. I just leave as it is. Click next. From here select desktop because it is both graphical and command line interface, but others only command line interface. Those are not appropriate for beginners. Click next. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 installation is progressing. It will take 15 minutes approximately. Dear viewers, the installation is almost done. Now click reboot. From here, click just forward and check it for accepting license agreement and click forward. Again, click forward. Right here username and password, and give a password. Click forward. Click yes and set your date and time. I leave it as it is and click forward. From here, now click finish. The installation is complete. Now you can log in with root user and type password that you given before. Press enter. Installation is successful. Viewers, installation process is shown step by step. Now it's your turn. Dear viewers, don't forget subscribe my channel Right Solution BD to get more tutorial about Linux. Best of luck.